The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Holness, is proposing incorporating conflict management in schools. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Holness, says that conflict management should form a part of the curricula at schools as a means of reducing violence in the society. Addressing students and teachers at the Manchester High School in Mandeville on Friday, January the 12th, Prime Minister Holness said that principles of conflict resolution and management are critical to violence reduction and prevention, particularly among young youths.
Now I know that there is a little bit of rain coming, so I will be quick. I want to tell you that there are two important things. I can't take the umbrella and you are in the rain. That wouldn't be fair. So there are two important things. Whenever I come to schools, the principals and teachers don't miss a beat. So I heard the beat very well. You need an auditorium. And I am here to say to you that I now see the need for the auditorium. So, Principal Gabriel, your prayers will be answered. I read a very sad report of a 14-year-old, like many 14-year-olds here. He was shot and killed by the police. And when I saw it, I immediately reached out to get an understanding of what exactly happened. How could a 14-year-old be killed in a shootout by the police? And I was very sad about it. I can't comment on the circumstances. But I will say this to you, especially to the 14-year-old boys who are here. In Jamaica, 90%, well, more than 90% of crimes committed, particularly serious crime, murders and shootings, are by males. A significant percentage, I don't have the exact figure, but I would venture to say that more than 50% of the shootings and murders are by males under 24. The other side of the equation is also true, that males, young males, are predominantly the victims of crime. So we have a problem with resolving conflicts. We have a problem with violence. We also have a problem with our young men in conflict and using violence and being the victims of violence.
The Prime Minister made reference to data indicating that a significant percentage of shootings and murders are committed by young males under the age of 24 years old, adding that they are predominantly the victims of violence themselves. Mr. Holness encouraged the students to be ambassadors for peace, noting that they will be instrumental to Jamaica's continued growth and development. You are going to be the ones to inherit a properly run and structured economy, and you are going to grow it. You are going to create the labor force that will attract investment and will transform Jamaica into a first world country. But on the other hand, we need good citizens. We need people that will respect the law of the land. We need people who will become good parents. We need people who will take a peaceful stance in violence resolution, so as we have work on the economy and build the productivity of the country. We must now work on the person, the human being he underscored. The Prime Minister of Jamaica was joined on the visit to the Manchester High School by Member of Parliament for Manchester Central, Rona Crawford, and other stakeholders. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.